Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to install free WordPress website like this. So let's have a look what you will learn. First one, you will find out how to get custom domain name for less than £1. Second, you will learn how to get free hosting provider. Third, I will show how to install WordPress website on the server. Fourth, I will show how to get best page builder for creating pages. Fifth, we will create first page in seconds. If you like what you see so far, please consider subscribe my channel for upcoming videos about WordPress and hit the bell so you will be notified when a new video will be released.
You need a hosting place. I would recommend buy the host. So just go to the Google and type buy at host and you should go there. Just go there and just find sign up for free. You just press sign up for free and then you need to enter your details. So I'm gonna press my name, password, then your email, then category site I would leave on personal, the site language I would leave on English, and then security 884A6 and then just register. Security code doesn't match, click back. Okay, see, we made mistake. B8, but just be patient, try it again. 4A and 6 probably. An activation email has now been sent to your email. Please click the activation link in the email to activate this account. So I'm gonna go now to my email. Just probably in a spam folder. Yep. Action required. Gonna pop back into normal folder. Gonna go on to inbox, hosting activation, press the link, and the website is installing. By the time I'm gonna show you where you can get domain, I would suggest to go there and just type 123reg and should come up if you would type yep, just like press there and it's like domain registration website. So you can get any website for 99p and later it's gonna be more expensive next years. We're offering as well hosting service. So yeah, you can read about that if you want. So I just gonna type my name, search for website. Is it available? It's probably gonna be available, yes, because I haven't pushed it. But if you, let's say, go with some cat, so it's popular one, let's say. It's definitely not available. Those one, oh, it's even too small. Anything like bicycle, let's say. Bicycle, let's say. See? bicycle basic, you can, let's say, basics or basic, whatever you can, which one you fancy, you can buy it. Then you have it. Okay, let's have a look what's going on with this one. It's almost complete still. Yep, and it's all done. So website has been created and homepage. Let's press and have a look how it looks, our web page. Yeah, it's there. That's where your website is sitting, but at the moment it's just their page of a provider. So you have to go back to your email. It's just gonna be whole details. You have a whole details as well here. You can like go to cPanel, open new tab. Then you need to copy your username and then your password. And you will just look at. I made mistake. Okay, I'm gonna go there. More. Where is my spam folder? No, nothing in here. Yeah, should be here. Not report, not spam. I'm just gonna go back. There is all your details. So you have your hosting name. And you have your password. Okay, just logged in. Yeah, hi. We're saying notification. And to notify you of change to service and offer, we need permission to send you email. Please click I approve below to allow us or refresh this page to see the control panel. I just approve. Thanks to panel. And then now we're gonna show you how to install WordPress. You're gonna go down to the software application installer, gonna press enter and then install WordPress. You're just gonna go down. You can change this site by gonna change. You should change what you're creating. This one, site description about WordPress. Let's see, admin password. You should change this one, and the details where you wanna be sent all the information from WordPress. I'm gonna type my personal email. Okay, language, you probably have a lot of options. Yeah, you can pick whatever your language. I'm gonna leave for English, and then just leave it and install. That usually taking seconds. Yep, it's all done. So if you go there, if you even go there, or you would, where is our website? Yeah, you will see panel. I probably close now this one. Yeah, and if you would refresh, it should change. Just gonna delete this one. Yep, you can see it's all changed. WordPress is already installed. Then you have a WordPress installed on your server. Okay, if you want to go to, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to set up the page. First, your page. So if you go in the back of your website, press admin and then just enter your details. I made mistake. just logged in. Yep. You just have to go and pick theme first. I would suggest to pick Astra theme. Install. That's taking a few seconds. Yep, it's all finished. You should press activate. Thank you for installing Astra. Did you know Astra comes with those ready to use starter site templates? Install the Astra starter site plugin to get started. I just would press get started, activating. I wouldn't suggest to install the templates if you're just beginner, because it could mess up with your website. So we're just now offering to pick the page builder. I would choose Elementor, and I would advise you to do that. Press next. And it should be now we're offering to install ready templates. You're going down. It's just still thinking. Anyway, it's all done. The Astra theme has been installed. So if you're gonna need Elementor installed yourself, because I don't advise you to pick any of those themes. So just go to the plugins. Add new. Just type Elementor. Install now. Installing it, usually taking few seconds. Elementor is very good page builder. I definitely advise you to use it. Much easier, and you have a lot of customs. I just gonna show how it's quick with the free version. You can have beautiful website. So if you will go for a paid one, it's unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. But from my perspective, free is enough. Activate. Just press this one. Welcome Elementor. You can watch YouTube, create your first page, get full guide, but I'm gonna show in this tutorial this one. Going back to WordPress, and now gonna create our first page. Add new. Home. If you're going to Astra theme, you can say disable title. So I would press disable title. And this one full with stretch and no sidebar. I would do this one. Those settings. Personally. Okay, publish. Are you ready to publish? Publish. It's taking time. Yep, it's all done. And now edit with the Elementor. Gonna press edit with Elementor. Our first page. Yep, it's empty as we expected. So I'm gonna just show you how easy to get. Let's say you press this one folder. And it's Elementor have pages as well, blocks. You can like pick any blocks, or you can pick pages, or you can build up your own templates and reuse it for the later. Export it, import it from one website to another. Let's say just go for restaurant page. This one, I just press insert. Just loading Elementor because what he's doing now, downloading all the details of website or of the theme to your website. Yep, you see, it's all done. And if you just press update, it's updated, and then you can preview. Isn't beautiful? Just few clicks and you have that kind of website on. It's amazing if you think it is amazing. Okay, so I just gonna show the last thing, and it's gonna be that's it for this tutorial. Just gonna show how to edit anything, like simple. And because if let's say our suite, just you press on this one and then it's homemade suite. Let's say home made suites, update. You can as well like center, right, that's like satisfied, justified, right. So let's say just update on the center one, looks nicer for me. Preview change, and what you can see, we created a website in just few minutes. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider to subscribe and press bell notification for upcoming tutorials, as I am planning to make future tutorials of how to fully customize and adjust the website. See you later. Bye.